board any car you want to.
All right. Which car do you want to sit in?
That one's rather crowded. How about this one?
All right, that sounds great.
All right, watch your step. It's a little wet there. Just open the door.
Oh yeah, we love that smell. My Santa, you've lost weight. Must be the Santa Claus diet.
I know. Milk and cookies. That's the only way to go. How you been?
Good. Very good.
You guys?
Very, very good.
Nice.
Yeah.
I gotta check now.